Hello, let's make a footprint brush. Okay. Um, um, First, we need a canvas, a square. Zack. And now we need a footprint. You can draw your own footprints, but I'm searching for one. I'm looking in the internet and search for footprints, picture search, and I take this one. Uh, Press on the footprint and save it. Okay, open Procreate, load the picture from the photo library, and now you can place the footprint or bring it in position. This is the left one. You can adjust it a little bit, rotate it, or okay. Everybody can do it his own way. I duplicate the layer and I go to the transform tool and mirror it horizontally. Oh, and now I'm position the right footprint, for example here. That's our stamp for the brush. We're going to the actions menu, I think, in English. Copy the canvas, and I delete this one, and create a new brush. Press the plus button, and it's a completely new brush. We take the form, bearbeiten, also okay, import and einfügen, insert. Then press with 2 fingers on the picture. That inverts the picture. And now you can press ready or okay. Sorry, go to the bearbeiten again, and you can rotate with 2 fingers on the screen and rotate the picture 90 degrees and press OK. In the path settings, you can set the spacing between, and before you can do this, go to the form, and in the rotation settings you can bring the slider to the right till follow stroke appears, I think. And now you can test it. Okay, in this section, Eigenschaften in German, you can set the size, the maximum size of the footprints. In the Apple Pencil settings, you can reduce the Deckkraft, Deckkraft, to none. Then it's always full color. And the last step is go to the path settings and set your okay. Let's test it. Press OK. Color is red, and now you can draw. Okay, this happens. Go to the brush again, open it, and in the eigenproperties, or I think this slider tests this. Okay. Let's reduce the size a little bit. Okay. Test is relatively okay. Boop. This is a way you can do it. There are things you can play around with. You can adjust the form a little bit, or play a little bit around with the settings, but that's the way to do the brush. Okay, have fun with Procreate. Ciao.